Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ एकेडमी। आज मैं एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ जो लीनियर अलजेब्रा के हैं। एंड द क्वेश्चन इज लेट ए एंड बी n by n distinct positive semi-definite matrices, then which of the following option is true where a greater than is equal to 0 means A is a positive semi-definite matrix. So which of the following option is true? Let here it is given that A and B be n by n positive semi-definite matrix, means whose eigenvalues are all greater than equal to 0. So all the eigenvalues of A and B are greater than is equal to 0. So this implies A and B are Hermitian matrix. This is necessarily conditions, but this condition, the converse of the part is also not true. So if all the eigenvalues are greater than is equal to 0 means A and B are distinct positive semi-definite matrices, then A and B are Hermitian matrix. So and the first option is AB plus BA. So if we take the conjugate transpose, then by the properties of the conjugate transpose is if A plus B conjugate transpose, then A conjugate transpose plus B conjugate transpose. So here it is AB conjugate transpose plus BA conjugate transpose. Here also it is properties AB conjugate transpose means B conjugate transpose into B A conjugate transpose. So this implies B conjugate transpose into A conjugate transpose plus A star B star, and since A and B are Hermitian matrices, so it is implies A is equal to A star and B is equal to B star. So putting the values of this, so we get B A plus AB. So if we write in this form AB plus BA, so this implies AB plus BA star is AB plus BA. So this implies AB plus BA is Hermitian. So option A is true. Option B is AB plus BA is positive semi-definite matrices. Here greater than is equal to 0 means positive semi-definite matrices. So let us, if we take the example, A is equal to 2 0 0 1 and B is equal to 1 1 this. So AB is equal to 0 1. So AB is equal to 2 and 2 1 1, and BA is equal to 2 1 2 1. So AB plus BA is 4 3 3 2. So this is the AB plus BA. Here the eigenvalues are negative. So AB plus BA is not positive semi-definite matrix. So option B is false. Since the determinant of the matrix, if we find AB plus BA is determinant of the matrix -1, so one of the eigenvalues of the matrix is negative, so less than 0. So that means AB plus BA is not positive semi-definite matrix. So option B is false. Option B is false. Option C is A square plus B square is greater than is equal to 2AB. So for option C, it says that A square plus B square is greater than is equal to 2AB. We know that if A and B are Hermitian matrices, then this implies A square and B square is also Hermitian matrices, but AB does not implies Hermitian matrices. If AB is Hermitian matrices when the condition is AB is equal to BA. If this condition is given in the question, then AB is also Hermitian matrices. So AB is not Hermitian matrices in this question. So by the result, if A greater than is equal to B, where A and B are Hermitian matrix, so we write it in the form A minus B greater than is equal to 0 when A and B are Hermitian matrices. But here A square plus B square is Hermitian matrices, but A into B is not Hermitian matrices. So option C is also false, because we cannot write it in the form A square plus B square minus 2AB greater than is equal to 0. So we cannot show this matrix is positive semi-definite matrix or not, because this property is does not hold, since AB is not Hermitian matrix. And for two Hermitian matrix A and B, A greater than is equal to B imply A minus B greater than is equal to 0 when A and B are Hermitian matrix, but here A and B, AB is not Hermitian matrix. So that's why option C is false. And option D is trace of A square plus trace of B square greater than is equal to trace 2AB. So for this option D, if we write A square plus B square minus AB minus BA, this is equal to A minus B whole square. So this value is always greater than is equal to 0, and if we taking trace, then we get trace of A square plus trace of B square minus trace of AB minus trace of BA is greater than is equal to 0, and we know that trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. So these two are same. So trace of A square plus trace of B square is greater than is equal to 2 of trace AB, and also this imply trace of 2AB. This is also greater than is equal to, so option D is true. Right option is option A and D. So thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel and share with friends.